media, everybody present here. Once again, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. We have received this high-level delegation on the 15th to be exact, which was yesterday. And since they came, they've been up and all about in the state. They're here on a follow-up visit, which started with His Excellency the Executive Governor in the United States with the Secretary General Hajia Amina Mohammed. And they're here on a follow-up visit, which is more on security issues, as well as to see how they can support the state in every way possible. We visited Ruga with them earlier today. We had meetings with the Honorable Commissioner, Ministry of Education. They have met with our traditional leaders. They have met with the security agencies, all in an attempt to see how we are going to sort out the issue of security in Zamfara State. Once again, thank you so much for finding Zamfara worthy of your visit and for your continuous support. On behalf of the state government and the good people of Zamfara State, we appreciate all the efforts and we welcome you to Zamfara State.